What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your username on TikTok. Now this is actually super simple to do, unlike some social media platforms where they tuck it away on their website, or you could only change your username every now and again. TikTok makes it super easy to just do it through the app, and you could change it as many times as you want. So launching into my TikTok here, I'm on my For You page as usual, and I'm just going to go ahead and click on my profile icon in the bottom right hand corner, taking me over to my profile. And you can see the profile here, and obviously you will want to click edit profile. It's pretty much slapped in the middle of the screen there, right above the bio that says Anabolic Chef. Edit profile, that is what you're looking for. And it's going to take you to this screen here where it gives you a bunch of customization options, including the username, which is going to be the second one down right below name. But I suppose you could change your name if you want to, if you're changing your username as well. But you could just put in whatever text you want here and change it. And it's going to come up with a little green check mark to show that it is not taken and you can use it. And it'll be a red X if it's already taken and obviously you can't use it. But once you decide on the username you choose, just hit save in the upper right hand corner and you will be all set with your new username. And that is pretty much all there is to it. If you did have any questions though, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.